Alright, y'all. Oh, there we go. We got the close up. What other one there? I started recording. Yep. We about to start with a 7-round liner, y'all. Well, that's not the 7-round liner. Just the 1-round liner. So it's gonna sting a little bit. I'm gonna turn the extra down. Yeah, because it's a single needle. So I'm going to use the 1-round liner to make sure I get them gaps between the arm and the cross. Alright, gotta get the 3-round liner. Shading mainly the middle arm cross because that's the bigger one. And then we're gonna go back, tighten up the outline if we needed to, but we don't want to use that 1 round at the bottom. Then it's gonna be jiggling our hand up, should be hurting. Alright, y'all, now drop down from like what? That was 6.5 volts to 5.5 volts. With the 3-round, just to do the shading in here, because the hand got some thin skin, so you know you don't want to overwork it. Right now, using the back and forth, or you can go ahead and use the smaller circles. You got that bottom, look like the bottom all black, and then to finish hitting in the cross now. And then after the black, we're gonna go ahead and hit our white around, you know. Packing in the same way, the small circles, the line. Like I said, we at 5.5, so my hand speed definitely moving fast enough. But it's not too fast to where it ain't getting in. You see it's going straight in. That's one thing I say about smaller needles, definitely run your machine a little slower. It'll avoid from you getting the blowouts, things like that. Especially real thin lines. Get a blowout quick. I'd have had a fair share of them. Alright, y'all, about to hit a little white highlight. Right along the side of this. You good? You got a focus, huh?
Yeah, I do.
You say peace, be still. We got the we're about to be done with the first one.
And that's how them fingers was hurting.
Oh yeah, you done had the fingers, so yeah, you know.
That was terrible. I'm gonna have to get numbing cream next time.
Oh, you
I don't know if I
had
can
it
take
first
that.
time?
No, I ain't never used no numbing cream.
Oh yeah,
ever.
you did sit in.
Ever.
Check it out. Check it out.